Ma, who is that?
Pedro. He's my Kizomba teacher.
What I do without just wonder.
Talking about our whole thing. Those guys at the tennis court. Oh my word. Talk about muscles and six-pack. Oh my God.
Just like my Pedro. Anytime I see this boy, my heart beats like a locomotive engine. Chuku chaka. I am dreaming. I can see a handsome, well-built young man approaching. He has lifted me up into his strong arms. Oh!
Ma!
Hey!
Bagawaya.
Upapawaya.
Everybody hustle.
The head, the heart, and the hands should be in consonance. If one fails, it leads to the failure of the others. Harmony, integration, a positive spirit, the keys to peace and prosperity.
Can I get this?
Okay.
Can I get that?
This?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
John West.
Okay. How many?
3. Yeah. 3 of that. The medium size.
Okay.
Yeah. Ah, ideal. 3.
Sure. Hey, Auntie Grace, you're welcome.
Alima. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
And where's your madam?
She's behind.
How much is it?
Oh no, Auntie Abiba said you shouldn't pay.
No, I insist I'll pay. Ah, what if all her friends come here and take things for free? What will happen? I mean, Tia. Where is she?
She's out.
There. Okay.
Baby, really? Sir? You're making me laugh so loud here. Baby, your fee.
Hey, lovey-dovey.
Sweet as honey. Grace, Simpson's necktie is flowing, eh?
Sometimes I think I'm dreaming. The change has been so drastic.
Really?
Take this morning, for instance.
He sucked your toes?
Hey! If you can't take it in, I'll tell you more.
Okay, I'll be quiet.
And then he made me breakfast in bed and fed it to me.
Grace, listen, you're just telling me the watered down version. In fact, fill me in, catch me.
Oh, that's all you can take for now. I don't want you screaming this early morning.
You're just a killjoy. Ah, let me see your day.
Hey.
Yanko.
Uh-huh. That's him.
Simpson is...
Simpson.
Okay, pick it. Why, you don't want to pick?
Relax. You see, I found out control is everything. You see, at first I was too enthusiastic. That's why he took me for granted.
Really?
What? What?
No. Grace, pick it to you.
Darling.
I hope your mother will love this today. I want to surprise her. Why can't you?
Add a little salt. Just a little. Hey.
Oh, I hope Grace will love my food. Taste it and say again.
Oh.
Let me also try something. Magnifico. To la bella.
What is happening? What is he doing in the kitchen?
Cooking. Why didn't you see him?
Since when did he start cooking in this house?
It's his house. He can do whatever he wants.
As for me, I won't eat any funny food. Oh.
Who says he's cooking for you?
Mimi!
Grace, you know I don't understand you anymore. Isn't this what you've always wanted? To be Simpson's one and only?
I just don't believe it's for real. Simpson has let me down so often.
Grace, you really need to have a positive outlook. Listen, you also deserve all the good things of life.
Look at that.
Grace, this is serious. Oh.
You see my point? Simpson in apron preparing lunch for me? There must be something wrong. I've done nothing. It's just for the fear of Pedro.
But wait, why didn't he go to work?
He hasn't gone to work ever since he saw Pedro and fainted. Hello, Pedro, darling.
Oh, I didn't.
Will you tell me what is really going on here?
Use your imagination, or you can make yourself useful.
Have you realized ever since he fainted, he has not gone to work?
And whose fault is that? Now who got some?
What did you expect me to do? Sit down and watch whilst another man woos my mom in my own father's house? Never.
You see, I'm trying to fix things.
By turning him into a cook?
See, your problem is you're not romantic.
Romance, leave that to the losers.
So I can't make it. Okay?
Thank you.
Talk to you later. Bye.
Mimi,
Daddy.
your mommy is not coming anymore.
Oh.
She even told me she's going for kids over practice. And how can I cook for the food to be wasted? The whole day will be wasted.
You see, I told you, romance doesn't work anymore. Bagawaya.
After wasting time doing all the cooking.
Grace, what did you just do?
I told him I couldn't make lunch.
And that you were going for Kizomba lessons. Was that really necessary?
Should I lie?
What has gotten into you? You have spent your whole life praying, fasting, fighting, and God knows what, just to get your husband's attention. Today you have the attention and you are throwing it to the dogs?
Yes. And now that I know he's a toothless bulldog, I'm not worried at all.
La ilaha illallah summa talawla azim.
I'm off to dance.
Why?
Hey, let's go.
I'm not coming with you.
Kizomba.
Hey, Babylon, why do you sneak up on me like that?
I tried though. I tried my best. Back to the dog life. Pound for pound.
You must be happy now, huh? You got what you wanted.
What have I done?
You know, anytime Daddy dresses up like this, he's going out to chase all these small girls in town.
And how is that supposed to be my fault? Look elsewhere.
Are you blaming Mom?
I had never said anything.
See, it takes two to tango.
Welcome to my spa.
More yours.
Come with me. I've prepared a special place for us.
At your mercy.
Here, fun. Harder, yes. Harder, yes. Don't stop, yes. Yes, good. Good.
Oh, Grace, come and join us. It's a very nice exercise.
Uppercut.
Don't do anything rash. Besides, nothing has happened yet.
Do you want to wait for something to happen first? You see, they are still at it. Bombo class.
Jojo!
Dad, do you know what's happening in the house?
you have done?
I'm a man. What do you expect?
Do you know this could tear this family apart?
I will not live a lie.
I can explain.
What happened?
Oh, you fainted.
And I remember. Who is he?
Shh. You are weak. Relax.
I'm weak, eh?
Oh, I didn't mean that. You know I don't mean that.
So just go straight to the point and answer my question. Who is he? Huh? Where is he?
Thank God you are back. Everything is going to be fine, okay? You are going to be okay. All right.
You want me to teach you privately? It's gonna cost you.
Well. Money is not a problem. But I would really want you to do me a favor. I want it to be between the two of us. Privately. Hush, hush. You understand me?
Yeah, I do.
Grace, you left. Queen, is everything okay?
Perfect. I guess the secret is out.
Great secret.
Pedro, Grace, meet Simpson, my mysterious client. Simpson, meet Pedro, my husband.
Oh, you guys already met my wife, Grace.
Wow. The guy who...
Sort of.
I mean, this is a mysterious world. I mean, the four of us, or better still, let's say foursome, still meet.
VVIP.
Make a enter Kolo. Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make a enter Kolo. Pass me the palm wine. Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing. Or you feeling irate. This what we dey do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go.